everyone. I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. जैसे कि आप सब ने आज के थंबनेल से ये जान ही लिया कि आज का ब्लॉग किसके बारे में होने वाला है. So today's vlog is going to be on the famous street food of India, vada pav. So as we all know, it is a very famous snack of Bombay, or we can say Maharashtra. But today let's start कि वड़ा पाव कॉन्सेप्ट इंडिया में शुरू ही कैसे हुआ. So to start from the roots, the concept of vada pav was never originated in India at first. जब पोर्तुगीज इंडिया को आए थे तभी उन्होंने ही पाव और वड़ा का कॉन्सेप्ट इंडिया में इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. एंड इन द ईयर 1966 पहली बार दादर स्टेशन के पीछे मिस्टर अशोक विद्या के नाम से एक सेलर थे जिन्होंने ये दो कॉन्सेप्ट को मिला के वड़ा पाव का कॉन्सेप्ट पहली बार इंडिया में शुरू किया. And as you all know, Bombay has always been one of the busiest cities of our country. And also, उस टाइम पे भी लोग हमेशा बहुत रश में और हरी में रहते थे. Some had to go to their work, some had to reach homes in their times. So in this, they always used to miss their food. So ये concept जब इंडिया में शुरू हुआ, that was a very pocket-friendly concept for everyone. That was always regarded as an energy snack for people. जैसे कि हम जिम जाते हैं, we take energy bars, we drink energy drinks. But yes, we can say this was a small pocket of energy for the Mumbaikars at that. So जब से ये concept शुरू हुआ, तब से लेके आज तक, it has always evolved in many ways, but the craze for vada pav has always remained same. So in today's video, I will be showing you how this concept of vada pav has originated, and for me, being personal, I have been to Maharashtra a few times, but yes, I even have a lot of craze for having vada pav whenever I visit Maharashtra. And also, now I do not live in Maharashtra, but yes, I can say vada pav is one of my favorite dishes. So I have tried making vada pav in today's video. I will be showing you how I had made it in my own way. So please do watch this video to the end. Please let me know in the comment section below how you find this recipe, and also if you do not belong to Maharashtra, then if also I missed somewhere, then please do forgive me for that. So please watch the video till the end and enjoy how I have made vada pav, and yes, please do try this recipe at your homes, and I'm sure you will surely love it. So here are the list of all the ingredients and the measurements, and yes, I prepared them according to the individual preparation, and those who want can surely refer them. सबसे पहले we have to add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil on a pan. Yes, the pan is heated beforehand, and here I'm spreading it all over the pan and I am letting it heat for a while. So we have to heat it for a while, and then we need to add 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. So here you can see I'm adding all the garlics that I have separated beforehand, and I'm mixing it in the heated oil, and we have to let it fry for a while until it changes its colors to brown. So मैंने कुछ garlic को स्लिट करके भी रखा था. I'm adding it them as well. So here I'm mixing them and I'm letting them cook for a while. And then for making the chutney, in the second step, we need to add 3 to 4 teaspoons of groundnut. So here you can see I'm adding the groundnuts in the mixture. So groundnut इसमें एक अच्छा flavor देता है, but yes, we need to fry them very well. We need to remember that while frying the groundnuts, we need to wait till they change the color to a bit of dark brown color. So I am mixing it well. So we have to fry them for a while, and then after, here I'm adding cumin seeds. Cumin seeds always gives a very nice flavor in any sort of chutney that you make. So by mixing them well, after that, here I'm adding 3 to 4 teaspoons of sesame seeds. So the most important ingredients of this dry garlic chutney is groundnut, sesame seeds, and yes, some desiccated coconut as well that I will be adding in the end. So here I'm mixing all of them very well and I'm letting it fry in medium low flame. Then here comes the step for adding all the powdered mixes. So here I've added 1 teaspoon of chili powder, that is Kashmiri chili powder. Here is coriander powder or dhania powder, same 1 teaspoon, and I will be mixing it well. And yes, at this point of time we need to turn the gas in low flame because this might burn all the powdered spices. So we need to be careful and we have to turn the gas into low flame. So here I'm mixing it, and after that, here as I've said before, so we have to add these desiccated coconuts that I have grinded very well. So coconut gives a very roughy texture in this chutney, and this is the most important thing that this chutney is all about. So here the desiccated coconuts have been added, and here I'm mixing it very well. Indian chutneys की एक खास बात है ये है कि we add coconuts in many of the chutneys that we make in India, and that gives a flavor and a very nice texture in our chutneys. So here you can see I have added them as well, and after that we have to turn the gas off and we have to let it cool for a while. And then here I am adding them in a glass jar. I am adding 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of salt. So basically salt आप अपने requirement के हिसाब से इसमें मिला सकते हैं. And next here I am closing the lid of the mixie, and yes, then we have to grind it very well. So after grinding you can see. So at first you will be finding it a bit sticky in texture, but yes, you have to let it dry for a while to let the moisture go away. For the aloo vada, on a heated pan here I am adding 3 to 4 teaspoons of oil, and yes, we have to spread it evenly all over the pan. So यहाँ पे मैं pan के चारों ओर इसे अच्छी तरह से spread कर रहा हूँ. तो I have to let it heat for a while. So उसके बाद यहाँ पे मैंने हाफ टी स्पून क्यूमिन सीड्स ऐड किया है, and after that I will be adding half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. So then here I have used 1 full size onion in this, and here we have to keep the gas flame medium low. So हमें इसे अच्छे तरह से इस heated pan पे मिला देना है. And yes, you need to be careful because cumin seeds and mustard seeds might pop out. And after this, here I have added a few curry leaves. And यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ green chilies, garlic slits और कुछ ginger मिलाया है. तो इसे भी हमें प्याज के साथ अच्छे से फ्राई करना है. So here you can see I am mixing it very well in this heated pan. And we have to wait till a while it turns a bit golden brown in color. So after that, here I am adding all the powdered spices. First goes the coriander powder, that is 1 teaspoon. The next, here I am adding a bit of haldi in this, 1 teaspoon as well. And next is a bit of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. And then salt I have added, but yes, I will be adding a bit of salt in the last as well. Here is Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. And then I have added a bit of more haldi in the last, and yes, now I will be mixing it very well. So यहाँ पे मैंने गैस का फ्लेम को लो रखा है, और यहाँ पे मिलाने के बाद I will be turning it into the medium low flame. So here you can see I have mixed it very well, and here comes the most important part. Here I am adding 3 to 4 boiled and mashed potatoes in this. So I have to mix it very well, and yes, it takes a little bit of effort in mixing them well in this. So here we have to keep the flame in medium low and we have to mix it well. From every nooks and corners, we need to get all the onions, curry leaves, chilies, and we have to mix it well in this mashed potatoes till we find them like this. Here I've added a bit of salt as I've said before. So उसके बाद again मुझे अच्छे से मिलाना है यहाँ पे, and I have to let it cook for a while. So here as you can see, I am mixing it, and as you can also see, the texture of the potatoes have changed a bit. And then here comes my favorite part, adding the coriander leaves. I generally love to add coriander leaves in every Indian dish I prepare. So here I'm adding it, and I'm mixing it very well in this mashed potatoes. And then comes the next step. Here we have to spread it evenly on a plate, and we have to let it cool for a while. Here comes the step for the batter. I have used 1 cup of besan or the ground flour, a pinch of salt, a bit of haldi, approximately 1 teaspoon, a bit of Kashmiri red chili powder just to give haldi a brighter color, and then half a glass of water, and we need to mix it very well. I will be adding the water a bit later because we do it to avoid lumps while mixing it properly. So here you can see. So आपको अपना बैटर इसी कंसिस्टेंसी के आसपास बनाना है. So उसके बाद here I'm making all the potatoes that we have mashed and made the masala into small rounds and small spears. So इसे basically एक आलू वड़ा का शेप देना है. And after that इसे हमें बैटर में डिप करके फिर हीटेड ऑयल में अच्छे से उसके अंदर फ्राई करना है. पर yes, you have to keep the oil medium low. So after frying for a while, you can see here all our aloo vadas are ready, and then we need to take them out and put it on a tissue paper. Tissue paper absorbs all the extra oil from the aloo vadas. And here in the next step I'm adding the chilies inside the oil for frying. And yes, you must remember one thing, जब भी आप chilies को fry करें, then always beforehand give a slit in the chilies, because ये एक बहुत common चीज़ है कि जब हम chilies को oil में directly fry करते हैं, then they start popping. But when you give a slit, the air inside the chilies moves out, so that can help you in reducing the chances of getting burns by popping of the chilies. So उसके बाद here are some of the crumbs. जिसे हमें हिंदी में चूरा बुलाते हैं, जो वड़ा पाव के साथ जाता है. So here you can see all the fried items are prepared. So here is the chutney. So here I'm adding a prepared mixture of coriander and mint that I prepared beforehand. Here I've added 1 teaspoon of salt, and yes, salt as per your requirement you can add. And next, here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of sugar, and I will be also adding 2 to 3 chilies. I generally prefer 2 chilies in this. And yes, the most important, I have to add curd. So after mixing, you can see our mint chutney is ready. So yes, the next step is plating. So let's do the plating. So here you can see our authentic street food. The vada pavs are ready. The pavs are on point, the chutneys are on point, and yes, the sizzling red chilies and the crumbs are on point. Let's enjoy the food. जैसे कि आपने देखा, there is no rocket science in making a vada pav. But yes, vada pav has always been treated as an emotion in India. तो इससे हम जितने प्यार के साथ बनाएंगे, इसका टेस्ट